Hello, Kevin here. In this quick video, we're going to demonstrate how we can set up your IoT application to be able to listen for messages on an incoming REST port. We'll go ahead and click on Studio. We'll go ahead and click on Pipeline Modules. Then we'll create listeners. Listeners are the components that get created within our IoT application that listens for messages coming in. In this case, we're going to click Add. We're just going to create a REST-based one. We have all sorts of different options where we can listen for messages on. One of the easiest to start with is REST. So we'll select that. We'll say that our data is going to be coming in as JSON. We're going to listen on port 80. We're going to just simply use HTTP in this case to keep it nice and simple. And we're going to allow for anonymous connections coming in. We'll go ahead and save that. And at this point, we've added a listener that we can add to our IoT application that will listen on port 80 for any incoming messages.